All right, today we're going to bring a gooseneck for your actual microphone. Now, if you have a microphone and you need the extra extension, look at this. This is very flexible, very strong too, and it stays in place. Now, I have a microphone station, but unfortunately, it doesn't reach to me, so I need to actually bring it lower and actually manually move the actual microphone. So we're going to do that. And of course, they have two ends. Female, male, all right, two ends. So this will feed for the microphones right here. I'm gonna put the microphone on this side, and then on this side, I'm gonna extend the existing one. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. All right, let me put it together so you guys can see it. All right, here's the extended version of the microphone. I just put it in there. I put it in the back. We're gonna tie it down and put the flexibility of it. Look at that, it's really flexible. I'm gonna try to see if I can put you guys down so you guys can see a little bit better. All right, so the microphone, now I can talk very simple from here. Flexibility, you can move it and manipulate however you want. And the best thing about it, it works on pretty much any existing extensions that I have. So it's going to be compatible with the one I currently have, and I can move it anywhere I want. I could change it directions to stay fixed, as you can see. So one of the best things I like about it when you're doing microphone or you set up your own podcast, it's adjustable. So pretty much you can move it to people's faces so they can hear a little bit better, move it around. And of course, the Gooseneck is great for anybody that's doing any kind of podcast, or if you're going to use it for regular microphone.